guys, my name is Eddie. Today I am going to tell you how to make a mummy. Number 1, wash the body. Number 2, mummifiers make a hole in the nose and flush the brain out of the nose. 3, the mummifiers remove the organs, the lungs, liver, intestines, and the stomach. 4, mummifiers take the heart out. 5, the heart was placed back in the body. 6, the organs were dried in natron, a kind of salt. 7, the body was dried in natron for 40 to 70 days. 8, the organs were put in canopic jars. 9, the body was covered with oils. 10, the body was wrapped in strips of linen. Number 11, the body was put in a coffin. Number 12, omens were put with the body. 13, the sarcophagus of the mummy goes on. They have to put up to 8 sarcophagus. 14, mummifiers write hieroglyphics and spells on the mummy to protect the dead soul on its journey to the afterlife. 15, the mummy was buried with its belongings, and the mummy is finished. Okay guys, this is how to make a mummy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and bye for now.